Okay, the news that we're just getting is that Air Marshal Manvendra Singh, senior officer of the Indian Air Force, is the man who will be heading the tri-service probe into yesterday's Mi-17 V5 helicopter accident. He's a senior officer of the Indian Air Force and he heads the Indian Air Force's training command, which is headquartered in Bengaluru. He will be taking charge of this tri-service inquiry that's been set up by the government to get to the bottom and the root of what happened to that helicopter. Remember, it was an Indian Air Force helicopter flown by Indian Air Force pilots and it had the Chief of Defence Staff on board along with several Indian Air Force as well as Indian Army personnel. So there were persons from both services on board. It is going to be a tri-service inquiry. The institution that the helicopter was flying to was the Tri-Service Defence Services Staff College, and therefore this is going to be a tri-service inquiry which will basically have probe members from all three services, the Indian Army, the Navy, as well as the Air Force. Air Marshal Manvendra Singh, the man on your screen, who is the Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Indian Air Force Training Command, which is headquartered in Bengaluru, will be leading the entire effort into nailing the truth behind what happened in yesterday's tragedy.
इस दुर्घटना के संबंध में इंडियन एयरफोर्स द्वारा एयर मार्शल मानवेंद्र सिंह की अध्यक्षता में एक ट्राई सर्विस इंक्वायरी के भी आदेश दे दिए गए हैं। इंक्वायरी टीम के ऑफिसर्स ने कल ही वेलिंगटन पहुंचकर अपना कार्य भी प्रारंभ कर दिया है। चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ का अंतिम संस्कार फुल मिलिट्री ऑनर्स के साथ किया जाएगा और अन्य सभी मिलिट्री पर्सनल का अंतिम संस्कार भी एप्रोप्रिएट मिलिट्री ऑनर के साथ किया जाएगा। अध्यक्ष महोदय, अंत में मैं देश की ओर से सभी दिवंगत लोगों को हार्दिक श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं और उनके परिवारजनों के प्रति अपनी संवेदना भी व्यक्त करता हूं।
Abhishek Bhalla still with us. Abhishek, Air Marshal Manvendra Singh, Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Training Command, will be leading this tri-service inquiry into the accident is what we've just broken to our viewers now. That inquiry, in fact, has already begun, Abhishek.
Yes, Shiv, that's an important development because until this announcement made by the Defence Minister in Parliament yesterday, the Air Force had said that the Air Force is carrying out a court of inquiry. So this is quite significant that it's not going to be just an Air Force inquiry, but a tri-service inquiry involving all three forces. And obviously, once a probe takes place, only then will it be able to ascertain what is the exact reason for the crash. And that inquiry will obviously be, headed by a very senior officer of the Air Force, an Air Marshal rank officer. And once we get the clarity on what the contours of this investigation is, will we be able to know what exactly triggered and caused this helicopter to crash.
Stay with me, Abhishek. Also have Gaurav Sawant with us, our Senior Executive Editor. Gaurav, Air Marshal Manvendra Singh, an Air Marshal, 3-star officer, will be leading this tri-service inquiry into yesterday's horrifying crash. It's going to be a tri-service inquiry, which basically means that there will be investigation members from all three services. What are you hearing, Gaurav?
Shiv, the Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Training Command, Air Manvendra Singh, and his team are already on ground zero. So the team is already on ground. Indian Air Force and Army personnel are both not just in Sulur, but they've reached the crash site. It's being photographed very extensively and videographed. That's point one. Point two, once this photography and videography is completed, then they will pick up all the debris and bring that to Sulur Air Base. There will be a reconstruction of that helicopter from what sources in the Indian Air Force and veterans are telling India today. They will then try and ascertain how the crash took place. Also, Shiv, all records pertaining to this helicopter and to the airbase have now been seized and sealed. They are being sealed. When was this helicopter last serviced? Who were the people who serviced this helicopter? Who were the people who were flying this helicopter? What was the Garud commando team that was protecting this helicopter before the VVIP flight? Who were they? What were they doing? All all of that they are going to go into before they move forward on the inquiry is what sources are telling India Today. The task has started. Tri-Services to ensure, since this was the Chief of Defence Staff, a Tri-Services chief, they will have a Tri-Services inquiry for absolute impartiality and no loyalty to lanyard.
It's going to be total impartiality. That is the basic reasoning and the justification behind having a tri-service organization, tri-service inquiry into this entire horrifying tragedy, as Gaurav has made it very clear. We're slipping into a very short break. The Shraddhanjali ceremony is still on at the Madras Regimental Centre in Wellington. The last images of the helicopter that we've shown you here on India Today are part of this tri-service inquiry that Air Marshal Manvendra will be leading now. We're taking a very quick break, back with much more non-stop coverage of this story here on India Today.